There have been false starts, mirages, obstacles and barriers, pessimists, skeptics, mistakes, and setbacks. But for 30 long years, we kept going. For 3 decades, we never stopped trying. And today, illusion becomes reality. Stumbling blocks are surmounted, doubters are converted, and errors are corrected as we exuberantly introduce the Makana Ferry Service, which will connect St. Eustatius, Saba, St. Martin, and St. Kitts. This new venture grants us the opportunity to establish subsidized connectivity for the next 2 years. It is said that every experience that results in a setback or success can either break you or build character, depending on the way you handle it. Statia's ferry-seeking experience has taught us that there are no limits to what we can achieve if we persevere. When we began this journey some 30 years ago, there was no iPhone, no iPad, no Amazon or Netflix, no Google or mobile broadband. There was no internet as we know it, no Facebook, no YouTube, no DVDs or hybrid cars, and no drones. We began our attempts to establish a ferry long before many of the things that are now part of our daily lives were invented. And while the world moved forward with rapid developments in technology and otherwise, the service we so desperately desired continued to elude us.